Hey everyone! So it appears that Apple's iPhone 14 Pro Max will change the game this year for Apple. According to reports from South Korea, Apple will use the same iPhone 13 style notch and side bezels in the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max. This means that the low-end iPhone 14s will likely have the same design as last year's model. The surprising part is that this could mean that iPhone 14 Pro Max will have slightly slimmer bezels and chin. The latest photos of display material from China suggest the same, thus the eye-shaped hole combined with little bezels will be an excellent combo. This graph suggests that Apple will employ eye-shaped dual hole in all iPhone 15 versions, according to display expert Ross Young, CEO of Display Supply Chain Consultants. The fun thing is that he claims to semi-trim it down to make the eye shape tiny. So people who don't want to spend so much money on a notch may wait for the iPhone 15, which will be a wonderful gadget because the iPhone 14 and 14 Max still have a notch, which is rather disappointing, and you have to pay extra for the Pro model to have the eye-shaped full design. Furthermore, according to reports, Apple is planning to release a new 30-watt power brick with an integrated gallium nitride later this year. This new 30-watt power brick will have a new design, and some rumors suggest that it will be for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The iPhone 13 Pro Max can currently go up to 27 watt, which is still slower than OnePlus or Xiaomi, so it is possible that the iPhone 14 Pro Max will support 30 watts fast charging. The latest iOS 15.4 is coming to Apple devices in the coming days. This OS is going to fix the 120Hz issue for third-party applications like Instagram, enable mask Face ID, and bring some new emojis. The iOS 16 is going to play a huge role in the iPhone 14, like how well they use the no-notch space, and some rumors are the iOS 16 will be all about customization, colors and optimization, which is a good news. Apple also does have plans to replace Face ID with under-panel Face ID, putting all of the components under the display without a noticeable pill-shaped hole. However, we have heard from few sources that the under-panel Face ID will most certainly miss the mass production deadline in 2023. At the end of the day, it's all about you. As a result, even iPhone lovers dislike the design of Apple's forthcoming models. I believe they will buy them in droves. So what are your thoughts on this new iPhone design? Let me know in the comment box below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.